The orange man won the vote, oh no. Now we're stuck on a leaking boat, whoa. Lies are flying, truths in chains. Justice hides while chaos reigns. Ka-thunk, ka-thunk, you hear the beat. Fake men strutting in the leader's seat. Dictator dreams, shadows creep. We're losing ground and cut so deep. Oh, we're sinking, sinking, don't you know? A nation's heart can't take the blow. Purge the truth, feed the fear, kill the light till it disappears. Oh, we're sinking, sinking, can't you see? We can go on a stormy sea. Dictator Donald tearing it apart, trading our future for a hollow heart. Dictator Donald, ka-thump, ka-thump. Every promise is just a junkyard dump. Curse the generals, purge the nation. Feed the rage, inflame the station. Bigots cheer, the God Squad sing, while the country crumbles under him. Ka-thump, ka-thump, the echoes grow. A fake man's power stealing the show. Dictator plans in full display. We can't let him have his way. Oh, we're sinking, sinking, don't you know? A nation's heart can't take the blow. Purge the truth, feed the fear, kill the light till it disappears. Oh, we're sinking, sinking, can't you see? We can boat on a stormy sea. Dictator Donald tearing it apart. Dictator Donald tearing it apart. We can't let this tide consume. We've got to fight before we're doomed. Justice, truth, don't let them fade. Stand and fight, don't be afraid. Oh, we're rising, rising, don't you see? A better world is meant to be. Heal the wounds, tear down the lies, bring the light back to the skies. Oh, we're rising, rising, can't you tell? Breaking free from this man-made hell. Dictator Donald, your time is done. The people stand, you're on the run. Dictator Donald, ka-thump, ka-thump. Justice rising from the shadows dump.